President Biden is proposing increased spending to strengthen border security. In his proposed 2024 budget, the president would allocate nearly $25 billion to U.S. Customs and Border Protection and Immigration and Customs Enforcement. It's a nearly $800 million increase over the 2023 enacted level. In recent months, Biden has announced new proposals to mitigate and control direct migration to the United States-Mexico border, such as a migrant sponsorship program for people coming from Venezuela, Nicaragua, Haiti, and Cuba, and a proposed policy that would limit access to asylum for migrants if they fail to apply for protections granted by another country before reaching the United States. Breaking down the proposed $25 billion budget, CBP would be able to hire an additional 350 Border Patrol agents. $535 million would be allocated for border technology. $40 million would be used to combat fentanyl trafficking. Funds necessary to hire an additional 460 processing assistants at Customs and Border Patrol, and funds for asylum processing. Biden is proposing $865 million for USCIS. The proposed funds would go to 1, processing asylum caseloads and reducing their backlog. 2, reducing the request backlog of immigration benefits, such as work permits, travel documentation, and adjustment of status backlogs. Support the Citizenship and Immigration Grant Program, and improve refugee processing. And President Biden is also proposing a new $4.7 billion contingency fund to help the Department of Homeland Security respond to surges of immigrants at the U.S.-Mexico border. According to Biden's budget proposal, the fund would receive appropriations incrementally each fiscal year and above the base appropriation as encounters on the southern border reach pre-identified levels. Department of Homeland Security would only use the funds for surge-related functions, and Biden is also finally proposing $7.3 billion to the Office of Refugee Resettlement to help rebuild the refugee resettlement infrastructure. The Biden administration has a goal of resettling 125,000 refugees in 2024. The administration has struggled to meet that goal after services were slashed under the Trump administration. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.